Welcome to AutoNext, your trusted destination for future-ready SUVs, off-road machines, and the most anticipated vehicles of the new generation. Today, we're exploring a rugged icon that's built to conquer the toughest terrains with confidence and character. The 2026 Force Gurkha SUV. The 2026 Force Gurkha continues its legacy as one of the most hardcore off-road SUVs in the world, inspired by military-grade toughness and designed for adventure enthusiasts who want capability over flash. From the first glance, the Gurkha looks unapologetically bold. The boxy design remains intact, giving it a classic expedition-style appearance that stands out in a market dominated by soft crossovers. The tall stance, wide track, and commanding ground clearance instantly tell you this SUV is built for places where roads simply don't exist. Up front, the 2026 model features a refreshed grille design with subtle modern touches while retaining its iconic circular LED headlamps. The raised air intake snorkel is not just a design statement, but a functional feature for deep water wading and dusty trails. The squared-off wheel arches house chunky all-terrain tires, giving the Gurkha an aggressive and purposeful look. Around the back, the tailgate-mounted spare wheel reinforces its adventure-first identity. Step inside the 2026 Force Gurkha, and you'll notice a significant improvement in comfort and practicality compared to earlier generations. The cabin is still rugged, but now feels more refined. The dashboard design is clean and functional, with a new touchscreen infotainment system supporting smartphone connectivity. Physical buttons are retained for critical controls, which is a big advantage when driving off-road. The seats are well bolstered and designed for long journeys, offering better lumbar support than before. Under the hood, the 2026 Force Gurkha is expected to be powered by an updated diesel engine that focuses on strong low-end torque rather than outright speed. This SUV